quick avocado feta hot salami sandwich. Delicious. Get your thing out. Cut your avocado. Like to slice it like that. Makes it easier. Then I cut in half. And I put my avocado on the bread. Peel it like that. It's not cooperating as I want it to. Spread your avocado. We're gonna do this on each side of the slice of the bread. This is so delicious and filling. You stay all day full when you eat this. Okay, then we put the other one. So we are using half of an avocado. Avocados, these are delicious avocados. Quick lunch, even for breakfast, because this will keep you full. If you eat it for breakfast, you won't have to eat a heavy lunch. Spread it, smash it real good there.
Mama?
Yes, baby?
Wait, are you done?
Not yet. I'm making a sandwich. I'm making an avocado feta sandwich. So I'm gonna put salt. I like to use Himalayan salt. I wanna fill it up. Himalayan salt. Not too much because the hot salami has good amount of salt. And the hot salami, as you can see, I toasted it. So you can look at it. I toasted in the oven, in the air fryer. I would say I air fried. Nice and crispy right there. So when that is done, I like to use this little spoon so I won't have the cheese everywhere spreading it. Some of it is big clumps, but you can just spread it in different areas. This keeps you full all day. Makes you drink more water too. That's the advantage of that. Just assemble it there. I put on each side, put cheese on each side, the feta crumbs. You can add lettuce if you want. I'm not adding lettuce today. Okay, good enough cheese. So I'm just gonna go in and place some of the chunks. It's good, it's crumbled, but it has big clumps to this feta cheese, but it's delicious. Just arrange it where you want it and kind of press it into the avocado so it stays when you put your salamis and you put the sandwich together. Press it deep in there. It won't fall off when you press it in. If you don't press it in, it's gonna fall off. Now lay your hot salami on it. Good amount of salami. Really nice. This is uncured hot salami. So it's good and it's nice big slices, more like for sandwiches. And then as you can see, I'm gonna put it together like that. Actually, I need Never mind. I want my sides of the bread to be the same. So put it like that. Put it like that. I like to just tuck in some of the cheese that fall off in there for a good bite. Then what I like to do, I take a paper towel like so. Just one sheet of paper towel, and I put my sandwich in like that. Place it like right there, half. Then you tuck in this and you fold. I don't know if it's gonna show nicely on the camera there. Okay, fold there and like that. Okay, pull in, fold like that, and then tuck in right there. See how tight it is? When you are eating, nothing will come out. You can take your nice bite right there. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's tasty and filling. So good. That's my feta, avocado feta, hot salami sandwich. The salami is uncured. Okay, have a blessed day. Hope you enjoyed it. Try it. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks. Some creamer, heavy whipping cream. Making coffee right now. I put that, this is the Kirkland coffee pot, and there we go. We are going to make coffee. So I like it hot. I like it strong too, but because I want it to be really hot, I'm gonna do on hot water. It'll still run the coffee. You can cup in there, so coffee making. Okay, I like my cup full. So what I'm going to do, I'll run it again, and I put it on strong, and the smaller cup right there. It's gonna run again to fill my cup. Squeeze all the goodness out of that coffee pod. Not yet, baby, almost done. Beautiful cup of coffee. Delicious. And I like to put a little bit of honey. Like when I make my teas, I like to use the honey. Put a little bit of that in there. And it's good. Delicious. Honey is good in the coffee. There is my brunch. It's late breakfast. As you can see, bread is toasted. That is feta cheese, the white stuff you see. Avocado, hot salami, sandwich right there. And my coffee. Delicious.